I'd like to take a couple of minutes here to just review the components of the Ply-Gem new crate design. What you see sitting on the Ply-Gem standard pallet is our base with 5 deck boards, 4 stringers across, and there's also a piece of the end, a piece of OSB that we use as an end piece, which is shown here on the end of the assembled crate. We also use 4 sides. The sides that are shown here have band grooves cut in each one of them, and they're applied onto the sides here of the crate, and they rest on the base of the stringers on the bottom, and you can see where the band groove is cut to match up with the band groove that's cut underneath the base to pull things together. So we use 4 of those sides. Our next component is our top piece, which just has the single band groove cut in it. We use 2 of these, one for each of the center pieces, right here and right here. Okay, and then we use 2 top end pieces, which have this slot cut in them, which the OSB rests in. So on your top piece, you have the groove cut in the bottom, located underneath here, and then you also have the band groove cut in the top. And so as we flip this board over, you can see the band groove, and it looks just like the other top pieces that go in the center. From an assembly standpoint, the notches that you see cut in each of the pieces, including down on the base, the exterior side pieces, and then also your top pieces all have band groove cut in them to allow the banding to pull together. The notches that are cut on the ends of each of these boards allow that, and also in on the base over here, allow for compression during banding to pull things together. The OSB is not attached on the sides on the uprights, and so this piece is open, and you can see where you actually have space in here. So it is compressed to top to bottom, but the piece floats from side to side, which allows for compression as we go forward. And so that's just a little outline of the components that we use for the new design of the Ply-Gem crate. Go. Alright, so here we are. We're going to band this crate up using the banding. Alex, who's in the green shirt, Johan is in the black. We're starting out in the middle, running the band groove underneath, bringing up the 2 sides, and we have a top piece, our top board will be added, drop it into the band groove on both sides. And Johan snugs up the first piece. Okay. So we're moving off into the other portion, into the center section. Again, Alex is running through the banding underneath. Johan pulls it up. Up come the 2 sides. Again, same process. Bring up the sides, drop on the top board, and groove goes in the slot. Then we're going to do our first end. Alex is going to bring up the top board, run the band groove underneath. Top board goes into a little channel groove, which goes over the OSB, lines up with that, goes into your slots, both on top and bottom, and you snug this up, then it pulls in the sides, and then we head over to the other end. run the band groove through. Pull up the OSB and drop it in the track. Get the OSB all the way down in the track. Down on the bottom. There we go. And we're finished right at about 2 minutes 50 seconds on this one. We've done it as fast as about 2:15, but this is the last one we're going to use, just kind of operating at a regular pace. Again, assembly at 2 minutes 50 seconds, 2 minutes 30 seconds probably with a little bit more practice, and then we're good to go. So we got Dwayne pushing on here. That's with 8,000 pounds on top. Very, very little racking. Looks like we're pretty solid. Okay. So we're just giving a quick example here of just how the crate lifts up. Forklift. You see where forks are completely covered all the way across so we don't damage any of the product underneath. You see where the banding now rests into grooves, so as you're sliding along on the floor, it won't get hooked on anything, so the banding is protected, whether it's on a flatbed truck or whether you're doing stacking operations. And so you can kind of see how this works out with it lifted up in the air, and we'll just set this back down. This would also work out very well in a cantilever rack. You don't have any deflection and support the product all the way across as you can take it apart. Okay. All right, we're all set.